Hi friends, today I am going to show you how you can do a facial at home with 6 easy steps using Vlcc Gold Facial Kit. This kit has 6 facial steps. First, pre-facial cleanser cum toner, then gold scrub, then gold gel, gold cream, gold peel off mask, and last post facial moisturizing gel. Its price $250. Let's start it. Step 1 is Comfy Cleanser cum toner. It has both cleansing and toning properties. Apply it on your face and neck area, then massage in circular motion for 3 to 4 minutes. Follow my steps. And it's enriched with comfrey extract and aloe vera juice that minimize your pores and cleanse your skin deeply, and also make your skin ready for facial. After using, wipe off your face with moist cotton. Step 2 is Gold Scrub. Apply all over your face and neck area. Scrub for 4 to 5 minutes in circular motion. It has 24 karat gold and glycerin. It helps your skin exfoliates and giving a smoothness. After scrubbing, wash off your face with normal water. Step 3 is Gold Gel. Apply all over your face and neck area, then massage gently with your fingers. Massage until it is completely absorbed into your skin. Gold gel has 24 karat pure gold. It helps your skin rejuvenation and also providing intense moisturization and nourishment. Guys, please follow my step for this massage. After massaging, wipe off your face with moist cotton. You can feel a smoothness on your skin. Step 4 is Gold Cream. Apply it all over your face and neck area. You can follow my facial step for this massaging and massage it for 15 to 20 minutes. Take little amount of water and massage. massage cream, improving the skin smoothness and elasticity, and you can see a youthful glow on your skin after using this. Doing all the facial steps 5 to 6 times. This cream has vitamin E, which polishes your skin and helps reduce the pigmentation. Take little amount of water on your fingers and you can easily massage your face. After massaging, wash your face with normal water. Step 5 is gold peel-off mask. Apply over your face and neck area, avoiding area around eyes. I use only my face and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Peel off the mask towards downward direction. Do not apply on broken or inflamed skin. Then wash with normal water. Step 6. Post-facial step is a oil-free moisturizing gel. Take little amount of this moisturizer and apply it all over your face. After this gold facial, my skin texture is better and I feel soft supple skin and notice a pretty glow on my face. You guys try this facial at home. I hope guys you enjoy this video, so please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.